Bitcoin falling 22%. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo here. Today we are falling. You can see we are down 22% since the all-time high in $74,000, and right now you see, we are in this $57,000 line, and we are just finding support in the line that we drew some months ago. And maybe this is it. Maybe this was just an opportunity for buying more Bitcoin for accumulation or not. You think we are going down? Well, let's dig deeper. And if we zoom out, you can see that the line we have right now is very similar to this one we had here in 2023. So we had some points of support and then we fell for good, and now we are in the same situation. So maybe if we are following this path, we are going to see $49,000. You believe it's going to be that bad? Just leave a comment below. Tell me if I'm right, if I'm wrong. What do you think is going on when we are breaking this pattern of the bull flag? You see, we told you that $59,000 was invalidation for the pattern, and we are in 57. So this is over. Also, considering the moving averages, remember that once we lost the 25, we might now go and see the red one in a 33% drop. That would be $50,000 for Bitcoin. It's a double digit, it's a double zero there. And that's something that might happen in the market. And also, that would coincide with this middle side of the parallel channel we are following right now. Remember this downside in the 25,000, these tops here and there, and now maybe visiting the middle again. So we have a next leg up. Remember, any case, maybe you are so scared out there, concerned maybe, well, this is just a reminder that there were 6 drawdowns of 30% in the 2016 to 2018 bull run. So this is, as Roll Paul is telling us here, something just pretty ordinary. This is the fourth 20% correction in Bitcoin in 12 months. So maybe you're not used to this, or maybe as myself, you are just absolutely used to it. Here, recapitulate with some numbers. Instead of thinking of the 18% pullback and also the one we had 2 weeks later, maybe we have just one if we consider those two together. That would be a 19% correction in a 49 period of time, 49 days. So if we based on this case, we might be for like 2 or 3 more weeks going down for that 22% up to 30%, and then we will recover. Also, Kevin Svensson here setting up the scenario for a continuation pattern. And you can see, again, this is something we had at the end of 2024, also coinciding with RSI, 20% drop, the triangle, and maybe just following the same script once again. If we go to the monthly chart, you can see April finally closed in the red, and now we have 8 green Aprils in Bitcoin history and 5 red ones. So it was a red one after 7 green months in a row. That was a record for Bitcoin, and now maybe we just need a healthy correction. What about May? Well, you can see the last 3 times it was a red month. So again, we expect maybe a red one. If we go to coinglass.com, you can see how scary is this part here with 1, 2, 3, and 4 red months in a row that might come to fruition. We'll see about that here on Crypto News. Fan on the right. Remember to smash the like button. And maybe that would be it, because we are retesting the all-time high closer for the monthly candles. You can see here in this chart. In any case, we had the 3rd best close in Bitcoin history. So maybe you believe we are doing so bad with Bitcoin, but again, we are in the third best month in history. So good times. Who will say like 6 months ago we will be around here? Any case, consider also I was wrong about the halving chart here. I was telling you that after the halving, we had a green month here and also a green month here, but this was a mistake. Truth is that if you see the date, November was the first halving and December 2012 was okay, was green, but the second halving was in July. So that means that August was a red month. And the third one was in May. And also it's indicating here that June was a red month. So 2 out of the 3 times we had a halving, it was a red month, the next one. So yeah, I believe we are doing something similar to this August of 2016. And then we will start going up again. Time will tell. And consider also, recapitulate with this chart here about the halving, that we are in the danger zone after a halving. And if we do the same as we did the last time, we can go down as low as 40%. That would be maybe crazy for Bitcoin. What do you think about that? Or maybe just normal thing. Here with the stock money lizards, we see that we might be just in a week off distribution. So that would be normal again. And he reminds us of this chart where we see this drop to 52K and then maybe a boring summer 2024, but then we end in a new all-time high. And for 2025, we have that crazy peak of the next cycle. Maybe so. Consider also the manipulation of the market, leverage out there, and that we don't have so many people betting in the lower side for Bitcoin. So now, if we are manipulating this market, we have to go up. We have to go to $71,000. So we will liquidate all those bets. And remember that Bitcoin follows liquidity always. The market in the red, we don't like that. The bubbles also in the red. We are not greedy anymore. We are neutral today. And Ethereum just broke the $3,000 range. We are into 2,800, which is sad. You can see also with dexters.io, link in the description below, that the market still hot for some coins, but mostly we have losers today, not winners. Winners, people using dexters.io, watching charts for free like Pepe here, not using TradingView, but Dex tools might be a good choice for you. And also, we learned today, congratulations to our partner, that Dextool is sponsoring Tiling Hackathon starting today. They are contributing with $3,000 in prizes and $50,000 on free APY credits. So if you want to know about that and you want to join them, I will leave you the link in the description below. And now, at this time for this video, why is Bitcoin going down? We see it's going down and we predicted where it will recover, but why? And we have several causes. This is a multivariable market and maybe it's cause of mining. We have this video from Chico Crypto and he is pointing out this very interesting thing that Bitcoin usually goes to the production cost of the miners. You can see that anytime Bitcoin goes higher from that point, eventually it comes to that point, which is interesting, but also seems normal. It's understandable that miners do not want to pay more than they are getting, so they might be forcing price of Bitcoin to going down. And you can see here, here, and there that once we go to that exact set point, we will pump. We will pump for good. This happened the last 4 times, and that means that right now, the cost of production of one Bitcoin would be $53,000. We are in 57 right now. We might go to 53, and after that, we might have a pump. It happened in March 2023 from $20,000 to $30,000. It happened in June 2023 from $25,000 to $31,000, and also in September 2023 We went to $34,000 in October from 25,000. So this is an average of 36% pump once we are at that 53,000, and that will bring price of Bitcoin to close to $80,000 in late May. So we are sad today, but maybe we start being happy in a couple of weeks. Also, some other reasons out there, some other variables. Remember, we are sad because of Hong Kong ETFs. Now this guy Balchunas telling us that it's not so bad. It's true, we just had $12 million when it closed the first day in Hong Kong. It's not 300 we were expecting. But any case, this guy says that the markets are not comparable. And if you do that, you will see that it's kind of similar figure as we had in United States. And he's optimistic for the future. Also, you see here that Watcher Guru is telling us that the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF market has potential to double US market size. So we'll see about that. And in United States, you can see that Bitcoin is facing the third week in a row with outflows on those ETFs. That, of course, is not good. But we have some good news here too, and the idea that Build, that tokenized treasury fund from BlackRock, is doing really, really good. So yeah, development and adoption keeps on being a reality. It's bad that dollar keeps on going up. And why is that? Why the market is going down in the stock market? Well, this is because of the Fed, of course. Remember, we have today Jerome Powell telling us if he's going to raise or cut those rates, and the market is reacting to this. So I think this is mostly the most important variable today. That's why Bitcoin price is going down, because the market expects a bad decision from Jerome Powell. We'll see about that, and we will comment this in the next show here in Crypto News. We say goodbye today with some other news, bad ones maybe. What do you think about this? Bitcoin Jesus was arrested in Spain because of tax evasion, $50 million. The idea is that he's not a US citizen anymore. But in any case, the government of United States is coming after him. So now he's waiting, and we'll see if he faces time or not. Remember, you have to do your tax report, and for that, you need coin tracking. The only tool we believe it's going to help you with this. They are partners of Fun on the Right. Thank you very much. And you have a 10% discount if you use the link in the description below. If you want to learn how to use it, well, just go to our website, funontheright.com, where you have Crypto Legal, and you have there a lot of videos where you will learn about coin tracking and how to do that. You still have some time till June, but do it today better than tomorrow. Consider that also CZ is going to jail. He's going to be there for 4 months after all the fuss we had in United States with Binance. Any case, consider that he's going to be a billionaire because he's keeping the money. He's paying a fine, but he's keeping a lot of millions. And after 4 months, probably he would be there like 1 or 2 days, and he'll be out as a billionaire. Good for CZ, and the market in United States coming to a clear right now. And the SEC and Gary Gensler, they are doing their job this year. Uniswap, Consensus, CZ, Bitcoin Jesus, Tornado Cash, Samurai Wallet, Coinbase, and Binance, they are going after everybody. But be careful, Gary Gensler, because also they are going after you. Patrick McHenry, the U.S. House Financial Service Committee chair, has accused Gary Gensler of misleading U.S. lawmakers over Ethereum. So yeah, this is a fight that is going to be on trial for a long time. And while this is happening, more adoption out there in development. Coinbase started today, is supporting Lightning Network, and that's a good thing for your daily payments on Bitcoin. You want to know more about Coinbase? Link in the description below. Also, you have there a link to a Trezor, the cold wallet that will protect you more against Gary Gensler, the SEC, and all the regulators out there. And today we learn that they ship to more than 200 countries and territories all over the world. So go there and grab your Trezor today with our link. Thank you very much. And if you want to help us, use that link, but also go to the Cardano pool Fanon the right with zero fees and only 270 fixed costs, because we just validated a new block. So we are at a good point right now with the pool, of course. That's it for today. Maybe you are mad as this cat because price of Bitcoin is going down. Maybe you're happy because this is your opportunity for buying so more. Anyway, just keep on learning about AI in our AI channel, AI News. And if you want more about crypto, here with one of those two videos, CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power and peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!